So in order to put your place on our common map, what you need to do is to sign into your CCSF mail account, and I will have emailed you a link. You click on that link and then click Save to My Places. That's important. It implies that you have logged into an email account. Then click Edit. And then you want to zoom out of whatever it shows you to find your place. I'm doing it here a little clumsily. I'm looking for that little park, Golden Gate Heights Park. Here it is. And once I found it, I zoom in, and then I want to drop that blue pin right there. So you click on the pin and then click on your location or your approximate location. Give it a title, your name. I made up this Rita's Place, and give it a description. This is Golden Gate Heights Park. And you can also embed a picture. For that, you have to go to Rich Text, click on the image icon, and the picture needs to be online. Here is my URL, and you can see the picture then appears. Click OK. When people now click on your pin, they'll see the description. Save, done, and you're done. Hope that it works out. If not, don't worry too much about it. It's not a class about computer savviness. It's a class about biology.